stopped our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will be speaking shortly.
Hello, my fellow Americans. It is sad that we are experiencing a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the National Airlines Space Administration, the Centers for Disease Control Prevention, and the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end very much. At 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time has been reports that the blood of the green moon virus has been reported throughout the entire globe. And there's nothing else we can just stop this event from occurring. And we can't do anything to stop this catastrophic event. There's no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode if you want to. I advise all residents, no matter where you are, to gather your friends and family and pray for our fallen leaders today. I have selected before he died from the green moon virus and turned to the zombies. The president has expected to let me read on the air, and I'm just going to let it come from the Bible. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. At this time, all broadcast stations and cable systems will go off the air for the final time if one is playing our national anthem. Please stand by as we complete the final activation of the emergency alert system. Before we conclude this broadcast of the emergency alert system, we're going to play the national anthem on all stations for one last time. The government of the United States, your government thanks you for your cooperation during this time period. But the end has come. Stand by. Goodbye.